Unscheduled brake maintenance is expensive and time-consuming, keeping your trailers off the road and costing you money. A problem that's been around for decades, but it doesn't have to be this way. Tru Shu is a patented Australian-made innovation built to revolutionise truck-trailer brake maintenance. Brake use creates heat, causing the drum to expand on the open side, making a cone shape, causing the brake shoe to be forced out of alignment. Tru Shu bolts directly to the brake shoe, physically holding it aligned, even in harsh conditions and with extreme use, making the same brake components last at least twice as long. Tru Shu is quick and easy to install, saving you time, money, and gives you peace of mind knowing your brakes are as safe as they can be. Listen to what Phil from White Line Transport has to say about Tru Shu.
We run over 100 trailers. An irritating and defectible problem in brake shoes running out of alignment has been solved thanks to Tru Shu, leaving more time and money to keep our fleet moving.
For more information, visit trushu.com today. Tru Shu. More braking, less replacing.